Why is it important not to skip breakfast? Think of your body as an engine. Breakfast is the first fuel that starts it up in the morning. Skipping breakfast? You're trying to drive on an empty tank. Want to know why breakfast is your most important ally in losing weight and energy? Here are the facts that will convince you. Breakfast, your first step to success. It starts your metabolism. In the morning, your body is ready to work at its maximum, but without fuel, it slows down. People who eat breakfast burn 20% more calories throughout the day. It controls appetite. Research shows that those who skip breakfast eat more unhealthy calories throughout the day. Breakfast stabilizes blood sugar levels and reduces cravings for sweets. What can you do to make breakfast work for you? 1. Complex carbohydrates for energy. Start your day with oatmeal, quinoa, or whole grain bread. This is your slow gasoline that will keep you going until lunch. 2. Protein for satiety. Eggs, cottage cheese, or a protein shake will help you avoid snacking. 3. Healthy fats. Avocado or nuts will add flavor and health. 4. Add freshness. A handful of berries or a slice of apple will make your breakfast not only healthy, but also enjoyable. And if you're not hungry, start small, a glass of water and some nuts. Gradually, your body will get used to the morning ritual. Why is this important? Without breakfast, you are playing against yourself. Your body switches from burning fat to accumulation mode. Want to be energetic, focused, and lose weight? Make breakfast your priority. Want to learn how to make a breakfast that works for your goals? Write the number 1 in the comments, and I will send you a link to a free consultation. Start your engine correctly, and you will be surprised how far it will take you.